3,
loud with your background.
2.
I know.
So folks, we're here with my main man Jeremy with Kizer.
Dude,
I gotta say first off, love the collaborations that we've been doing lately. They've
cool
been
stuff.
absolutely killing it. And we've got some really cool new knives. Now, we've seen the samples of most of these so that we can get them built in our system, get them ready. But I gotta say, this mini Militaw and all the different versions you guys have are amazing.
Yes.
The action is incredible. So let's talk about these.
So if you're new and you haven't heard of it, this is a very popular model of ours, the Militaw. It's been killing it for us. So people want mini, people want XL, so we decided to go ahead and do the minis, right? That's a big thing. And what's great about this is we've got a lot of different flavors, a lot of different price points. If you're sub 100, if you want to push it and get exotic on the materials, which I know one already caught your eye. So starting out with a bang, gold titanium zirconium insert S45 VN. This is like the top of the line, 179 on this bad boy, but it's got premium materials and it's awesome. It's got that great action that you know and love.
Oh yeah, I mean that thing is just smooth as butter right there, and so many different ways to open it.
Yep.
It's so fidgety, like you can it just pops. And like you said, I like what you said. This is going to go great right next to my gold-plated AK.
Yeah.
I like that. Absolutely. Now, of course, this one has been really popular in the full size.
That is correct. So this one is hard for us to keep stocked and for anybody to keep stocked. This is the 80s fat carbon with the DLC, and I believe these are M390 on this one.
Yep.
So this has been a very popular one with the full size. That one was about a little over 225. These ones are coming in at 189. Premium price, but you got premium materials, premium finish, everything that you come to expect from a high-end Kizer.
Wow, that is fantastic.
Now, and if that's outside your range, we've got a few more, but we'll touch on one more premium one. This is the one I have in my pocket. This is S45 yen, kind of like an acid tumble wash there on that thing, on the blade. Then you have the Jungle Wear fat carbon insert, titanium. So a little bit something we're doing different on the clip there, a little detailed, the logo on there. This one is the one I've been carrying for the show, but like I said, if it's a little too much for your taste, we've got a lot of different options. And this is, we've got G10 with micarta, G10 with G10, and this is one that I really like. This is the G10 with the wood.
Yeah, that is so sexy.
And that one's right around 60 bucks here at the show.
And what I love that you guys have done is even the budget-friendly models have the same action that these do. Like there's no difference in how that feels as far as opening.
And your fit and finish is good. I mean, the inlay on that is just as smooth and flush as the inlay on the almost $200 one.
There's no transition right there.
Yep.
And
if you like quirky, we've got this G10 Damascus or G-Mascus, whatever you want to call it. We played around with that. We've got that here with the red, and then in contrast, we have it over there with the green. And there's a lot of stuff over here, folks. We'll get to most of it. But, and then if you like black, if you like more of a tactical look, we've got green and black. We've got this one that's cool. It's got like a tread pattern on it.
Yeah.
And like I said, 60 bucks, 55. So lots of different options here. And this one's cool. This one's nice and clean looking.
Yeah, it absolutely is. And being able to see through it, I think that's, I mean, I'm a kid of the 80s, so like when the clear phones came out, the clear everything, I was all about it.
Even like in the early 2000s with like N64s, when you have that purple N64 and that clear N64, super cool. We've done that. We played around with some Ultim. So we've got some Ultim versions right there. Yeah, right there. So lots of different versions coming out. We've got some really cool packaging too, which I'm sure once you guys cover it, you'll show the packaging off.
Yeah.
Super cool packaging on these. A lot of fun. So we've gone all in. On the Militaw. We've got some other stuff here that we'll cover, but the Militaw has been popular, and we want to give people what they want. Just got to ride that wave, right?
Absolutely.
So, got to keep it going.
So let's take a look at the prototype.
Yeah.
Right here.
So speaking about giving people what they want, everyone loves the Momo. It's a big, fun knife, but it's a big knife, right?
Yeah.
So what we did is we answered the call. We've got two versions here. These are prototypes. Always going to be subject to change on price, materials, details. So you'll notice like there's different pocket clips on the different versions here. So it's going to be subject to change, but we just want to get feedback. And so far, the feedback on the Mini Momo has been great. You got fun pop of purple on that one with the Ultim.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that Joker purple.
Yeah.
Super cool. And I tried to get it on my camera to how much it pops, but you'll see it from across the table.
And then even with the backspacer there too.
So you've got the backspacer. One thing that I think has caught most people's attention is the one right to the left of these.
Yeah. Now that is something I will say I did not anticipate, and
so
I mean,
something we haven't done before. It's a different space than what we operate in. So what I did is I went and found the Bally kids, and I was like, hey Bally guys, come on down and let me know what you think. And the feedback's been actually across the board pretty good. A little tweak here, like change this little thing like this. They're asking if it's going to be sub $400 or $500, and I'm like, well, it's a Kizer, so we must be on the right track if they're putting it in that price range.
Yeah.
A lot of good feedback on it, so something to look forward to. It's kind of a passion project of our production manager, Neil.
Yeah. That is, I mean, that's titanium, I'm assuming.
Yep.
What kind of pivots here?
So that's, I believe bushings, but I'm waiting for more details to come in on that.
Okay.
So, and like I said, everything's subject to change. I like you can see the CNC lines there in the blade. It's a nice touch.
And I tell you what, the weight on it, I'm not a flipper by any means.
Yep.
I'm sure you could tell that in the video just now. But the weight on this thing is fantastic.
So
it is very well balanced.
That's one of the things I heard is the weight's really good. They said increase the blade weight by like a gram or two, and then that it's right where it needs to be. So that's, for our first go-around, I've been pretty happy. The feedback's been really good. Well,
absolutely.
So we like Militaws, Militaw fixed blades. So we showed these in Atlanta. People said get rid of the holes. We got rid of the holes.
There we go. Oh, man. That just works.
So that's the aluminum with the gold camel carbon, and sticking with the theme of high-end and then reasonably priced. So you got a budget version. Still going to have the same fit and finish, just a little bit of a step down in materials to keep that price in range. So on this one, you're having S35 yen on that first one we looked at. This one right here that you're holding is going to be Nitro V.
Yeah.
So Kydex sheath on those. So this is the crest. This is going to be a prototype what we're doing with Gecko Customs. Really cool guy over there. Love his stuff. He modifies a lot, so he decided to start doing his own stuff on offering. So S35 yen titanium 3.1-inch blade. Two different versions of the crest here. We've got the blacked out version. Then we have that one, which is going to be the titanium with the satin finish. So the crest by Gecko Customs. This is the prototype here. Now we got some small fixed blades. We know how popular these are right now. I want to start with this one because this has done very well for us. This is the Muskrat. The only change is wood handle, S35 VN steel.
Oh yeah, that is, oh man, that is fantastic.
It's got a nice little field and trout kind of like little Skinner. And then we've got some other ones that are new. These ones haven't been seen. These, I've only seen them for the first time here at the show. This is the Beaver. This is an Azo design. So a nice little chunker of a fixed blade. So you've got two versions, D2 on that and Nitro V on this one. So no price point on these ones yet, but you've got micarta on the handles and you've got G10. So,
and I got to say, I love the jimping up front, up top there.
Yep.
Just for that index finger reaching out there, getting those precise cuts. I love, that's a great fit and finish aspect that you guys really did a good job on these with.
And so this is a nice little chunker, and then you've got right here, so a little bit of a bigger version of that, a little bit of a longer, smaller hole, and this is going to be the hair.
Nice.
So we've got this one with the micarta, and this one's going to be Nitro V. The orange one is going to be D2. Kind of a little bit of a different finish on that one too, on the blade.
I like that. Absolutely. And again, extremely affordable too.
Yep. So these are coming in at about 60 and then right under 50 at 47.
That is super cool.
And I like, so going back to the Muskrat, and you talked about price real quick, 80 bucks, S35 yen, real wood, stabilized wood. You're going to get a Kydex sheath. So super cool. Yeah, just some cool offerings that we've got coming up.
That is unbelievable. I love that. I mean, I'm right now carrying my my Harpoon Mini right there.
Mini in 3D, right?
And and I love this thing. That has been one of the best knives. And of course, we did an exclusive in this one, the Afterlife there.
Yep.
And and we had we did our Bushcraft Island Showdown, and he did a lot of stuff with his smolts.
Yeah,
on
that's awesome.
Our Bushcraft Island Showdown. So
very cool,
dude. Love the stuff you guys are doing. You guys have been incredible, and love all the exclusives we've been doing with you guys, and looking forward to a lot of fun.
And I just bought one of your exclusives you did with us because I was trying to get my hands on one, and you guys had a couple left, so I went and grabbed one. So
nice.
Love the stuff you guys have going with us.
Heck yeah, Jeremy, thank you so
Thanks,
much.
TC. Thanks, Smoky Mountain Knife Works.